Hi, my name is Emily Barnett, and I chose to talk about Chapter 7, The Effective Lesson. The topic I chose to talk about was how are discussions used in instruction. And the 5 types of discussions we're going to talk about are controversial topics, difficult and novel concepts, effective objectives, whole class discussions, and small group discussions. Subjective and controversial topics. There are no clear-cut answers whenever we have a subjective or controversial topic. That means that there can be many open-ended answers, and it is important for the students to discuss and understand this. Whenever they have an open-ended question or topic like this, it's very important for the students to understand and discuss and really get to the bottom of what they think the topic is about. And discussing these things increase knowledge about the issue while encouraging deeper understanding of the various sides of an issue, which makes sense. If you don't know something about the subject that is being taught, then ask questions and you will get a deeper understanding. The next is difficult and novel concepts. This contains single right answers but involves difficult concepts that force students to see something in a different way. So that's saying that this could be difficult. It could be a science project or something and they have to research, which could be difficult, and then they find the information that relates back to the concept and they tend to understand it then. But just like it's saying, they're understanding it in a different way. Effective objectives. Teaching one amount of things at a time. An example of that is like 6 reasons why we should vote. Like, you're teaching the kids about voting, but you're teaching them the 6 reasons why we should vote and why we have the right to vote. But the real reason behind this type of teaching is to instill things in their minds. So you're not just sitting there telling them, this is why we vote, this is why we should vote, this is why this is why that. You're teaching them the concept behind why we vote. Whole class discussions. Teachers can guide this discussion and make sure things do not come to a dead end, and they can encourage students to come up with their own ideas. So sometimes you can let the kids come to the front of the classroom and lead the discussion, or the teacher can start the discussion, and the students can chime in where they feel like they need to, or they can listen to the rest of the classmates. The last one is small group discussions, where the students work in 4 to 6 member groups. The teacher moves from group to group, aiding in discussions, and this is profitable in the classroom because a lot of kids like to work like this. Thank you.